Meaning of Heath Robinson.
Heath Robinson.
Heath Robinson.
Heath Robinson.
Heath Robinson. Heath Robinson is a term commonly used in British English to describe something that is excessively complicated or convoluted. The term originates from the British artist and illustrator William Heath Robinson, who was known for creating humorous drawings of absurd and impractical machines. Today, Heath Robinson is often used to describe contraptions or systems that are unnecessarily complex, often involving numerous convoluted and seemingly unnecessary steps. This term has become a part of British English vernacular and is frequently used in everyday language to describe anything overly complicated or needlessly elaborate.